Good. All right, running along. Now I'm going to shift gear to Philippines, and I'm going to walk you through some of these examples with Safeguard. One of my favorite brands. If you haven't used it, please use it. Safeguard is, I'm sorry, I'm from PNG. I have to do some marketing. It's just inherent in the DNA. But it's truthful marketing, so you can trust us. Safeguard is the biggest soap brand in the Philippines. Okay, it stands for long-lasting germ protection. It has always stood for that, and it is our intent to offer it for every life stage of our consumers. So you can see the portfolio that we offer in the Philippines. We have what is called our accessible portfolio, which is in single sachet bars. Then we have additional offerings, which are including in body wash. You can see the presentation is also different. They are in liquid form. And then we have what we call is our naturals line that offers an even higher end protection and additional needs that this consumer is looking for, right? So we call it internally the accessible, the germ protection, and the germ protection plus portfolio, right? So this is also offers us to address consumer needs at outlays that are relevant, but also offers delighters to the consumers that are relevant. And through those delighters, the consumers are typically willing to pay a premium for those delighters, which means it allows us to offer differentiated pricing and then returns accordingly, right? So it's a price ladder. It offers better revenue management. It meets consumer needs, and it translates to better returns for the company and the shareholders. This is what I call a perfect portfolio. Daily use products where performance drives brand choice, which is integrated in its thinking of product performance offering that generates better returns to the company while addressing consumer needs. Okay. The next vector is communication. This is a live example that's literally happening in the market as we speak. Okay. With COVID, and just for you to get some background on Philippines is still under some form of lockdown because we are still dealing with the realities of COVID in Philippines, right? So the Department of Health in Philippines was very keen to partner with PNG and use our credentialing to encourage the mindset of Filipinos to make sure that we have a safe and healthy nation, right? So our campaign is called Be the Solution, right? It's just wordplay. Be the Solution is obviously Be the Solution. But it Be the Solution in Philippines, and I apologize if I haven't got my Tagalog right, if there are Filipinos calling in, please bear with me. But Be the Solution is also about, in Tagalog, which is the local Filipino language, it's about heroing the consumer. Bida means hero. So there's a hero that appears in all the commercials that offers the solution, and it encourages each consumer to be that hero, right? So we run campaigns where we teach consumers on how to wash the hand for 20 seconds, on the fact that they need to use Ariel in order to wash clothes, in order to use our products or any product for that matter that deliver on appropriate kitchen hygiene, to encourage consumers to still take a bath on a daily basis, even if they are not working outside, because at the end of the day, they have kids that are playing outside. When they come back home, it's important that we all stay at the appropriate levels of hygiene to make sure that we are safe and sound at this point in time. So this is the campaign that we are running. It meets the consumer need on health and hygiene. It addresses an important societal need, and it's something that we are partnering with the Department of Health. Again, it's an insight-driven communication that addresses a current need and is relevant to the consumers in the current environment. It goes back to the anchoring of superior insights, right? And that's why I wanted you to have a flavor of this.